Hello guys. So recently I found out most people using Facebook business environments are beginning to find it difficult and very confusing to locate where their pixel is. In fact, I have them a lot in my DM, my students, my clients, whereby they experience this difficulty finding their pixel, not even the difficulty coming from setting it up, but from even locating it after setting it up. Now we know Facebook has recently been moving things around within the Facebook business environment, like changing some of their placements, and it's really becoming stressful, becoming confusing for beginners, not even beginners alone, even experts that are using the Facebook business interface. They are now finding it difficult to locate where their pixel is, not even pixel alone, and some other things that are being moved around. Now guys, this particular video will be showing you where you can find your pixel in case you've also set up your pixel even correctly, but you can't find it within your business environment. That's your business manager account environment. Now guys, like I said, I'll be showing you where to find it right now in this video. Let's dive right into it, guys. So I want to believe you can find your way down to this particular page, which is the Meta Business Suite environment. Now the next thing you want to do is to go into that particular business manager account that you have set up pixel for. What do you want to do next? You want to select the particular business account. Now guys, that is if you are using a business account. If you are using a personal account, which I don't advise, you can follow the same process, but I have a video that explains in detail why you should have a business manager account. So guys, I'll be illustrating this video using a business manager account. So you pick your business manager account. In your own case, if you are dealing with a business manager account, then you select it, which I'll be working with this particular one that you can see here, 𝗬𝗓𝗓𝗏, which is my own personal business manager account. That's the one I use for my personal brand, so to say, not personal accounts, but a personal brand business manager account. So the next thing you want to do once you get here, guys, is to go to settings straight. This settings, not even all tools, not edit, but settings. Click on it. We are going right straight into the business manager environment. Now once this screen loads up, you want to sure click on business settings. So clicking on the business settings will take you into the business manager account settings environment, so to say. So once you get there, I'll be showing you where you can find your pixel that you have set up. So this is the business manager account environment. Now what you want to do is you want to scroll down to data source. Of course, this is where we normally find pixel, which is under pixel itself. Now guys, look at it. As you can see right here, now I'm having this pixel here. Now this is a business pixel, a business I'm working with that I've partnered with my business manager account. So this is a partner pixel. Now guys, you in your own case, you might have set up your pixel and you can't find it under pixel. You don't need to be worried much. What you do now is just scroll down to data sets. You can find it here. Now this is my own business manager account. Now I have a pixel for it, which used to be under the pixel section, that's under the data source, which used to be here alongside this other oldest master pixel. But based on recent updates, based on recent changes that is going on within the Facebook business environment, Facebook has decided to move pixel from where it used to be to data sets. In fact, they now call pixels data sets. Now what you do is you go to data sets, and guys, you should find your pixel there. So once you click on it, you can see the pixel details. As you can see, everything that you've carried out on the pixel. So you don't need to worry yourself much. Once you've watched this video, you should be able to find your pixel. And one more thing I want to show you to be sure that Facebook is actually moving things around is you can notice from the icon. Initially, this is not the icon we used to have for pixel. We used to have something like a laptop icon. Now let me show it to you guys. I have another business account here. Let me open it. So these changes are being rolled out gradually, so it might not have taken effect on your own account, but sooner or later you are actually going to experience the changes. Now I'll be showing you an account, a business account, which is attached to this my business account as a partner. I would show you the pixel still remains where it is, and I will show you the icon as well. Now this is it, guys. This is it. As you can see, this is it. Now this particular business account still has its pixel within the pixel section of the data source, as you can see it here. Now I'll be going further into the events manager to show you guys what the changes looks like. Now I'll be clicking on open events manager here for this particular business account. It's going to open in a new tab. Now I'll be going back to my own business manager account from data sets. Then under this my pixel, as you can see now, I now have my pixel under data sets. So don't get it confused, under data sets. And this other one is still under pixel, is yet to be moved to data set. As you can see, it's saying nothing is under the data set section, but as they keep rolling out the updates, the pixel will be moved away from pixel and it's going to be moved to data set. So in case you are looking for your own pixel that you've already set up correctly, then you should no longer look for it. Just go to the dataset section of the data source. You should find your pixel. So as I was saying, now this is my own business manager account. Now I'll be opening my pixel inside the events manager environment. So now I'll be showing you guys the difference in icon as I was explaining before. Now, so guys, our partners pixel. So this is my personal pixel which I use for my business. As you can see, my website here, 𝗧𝗛𝗪𝗠𝗕𝗏.com.ng. So now guys, the first thing you want to notice is this icon. This is not the icon we used to have before. This is the icon we used to have before, this laptop icon, not this dataset icon. Now let me go to the other account to show you guys. As you can see, this other account now, as you can see, we are still having this icon, but once this pixel asset has been moved to the data set section of the data source, then the icon will change to data source icon. Just something like this, as simple as this. As you can see, this is the data source icon. So the pixel icon would be changed to data source icon within the event manager environment, as you can see, guys. So these are the changes you might notice. They are not weird. You are not, you even you yourself, you are actually not weird. It's normal. You are normal. So you are actually saying something that is normal. So you don't need to freak out. This is just the changes Facebook is recently making, and I just want to believe they are trying to make things easier for advertisers on the platform. So there are so many other things that have been added to these particular features, like offline events. As you can see, I just set up a purchase event offline, and so many other things, and I'll be dropping more videos to show you guys how certain things are being done within the business manager account environment. Now, like I said, I've gotten a lot of messages from people, even from YouTube, from my students, from clients, so many messages looking for their pixel. Now this is one of the messages, guys. This is one of the messages. As you can see, this person messaged me from Ghana. That's right from YouTube. As you can see here, saying YouTube leads. So the person said, I got your WhatsApp link through YouTube. Please, I have created another pixel, but I can't find it in the pixel section. It's only the first pixel I created. Can you see? So that means, just like I showed you guys here, that I have that there is a pixel within the pixel section. You can actually create a pixel and find it under the pixel section. So it depends on how the update is being rolled out. If it has been rolled out on your account too, you understand. But if not, you are still going to find your pixel within the pixel environment. And in the case whereby you create a pixel, you can find some pixel under the pixel section, and you can find some pixel under the datasets section. So you don't need to freak out. Just check these two sections. That's the pixel section and the datasets section. So let's go back to the conversation. So the guy said, it's only the first pixel I created, meaning sewing machine that appear. How can I add the second big pixel I just created? Maybe he doesn't know. The second pixel he created is actually live. It has been created. He only needs to find it within the data sets section. So I guess he doesn't know, but I was able to walk him through to tell him where to find it, and I want to believe he found it. So that's just it, guys. So you don't need to freak out if you've created your pixel correctly and you can't find it within the pixel section under the data source. Just go straight to data set. So guys, with that, I'll be coming to the end of this video. I remain 𝗧𝗛𝗨𝗠𝗕𝗦. Always have a great time.